Hey everyone, this is CryptoBibbo here, and today we are going to talk about some new Immutable X NFTs that are coming soon on the marketplace. So it's a good time to know these and be at the right time to mint these because these will probably blow up. And the reason why is because it's still early days on the Immutable X marketplace, and why so many people are transferring to this marketplace is because on OpenSea you need to pay so much gas fees, okay, in Ethereum, and in this marketplace, well, you don't have to pay gas fees. So that's why people are transferring on this marketplace. So let's get right into the projects I think that are going to blow up on this marketplace. So the first Immutable X NFT that I recommend for you guys is the IMX Punks. Now, I think this is a really good one and that can have a potential to blow up, okay, and have massive gains. And the reason why is basically because it's punks, okay, guys? And if you've been on the NFT space for a while, you know that punks always do well on the Ethereum network. Literally, the Ethereum punks are worth like hundreds of thousands of dollars minimum. And every time punks drops on a new marketplace, if it's on the Solana marketplace or Cardano marketplace or other marketplaces, they always do well. And these are going to be the first punks on this platform. They currently have over 6,000 followers, so their Discord and their Twitter is blowing up. Now let's go take a look at their Discord. So on their Discord currently they have over 34,000 members as I'm recording this. So like I'm saying, this is really blowing up. There hasn't been an announcement yet like on where the date will be, but it will be shortly, okay? So make sure you stay active on a Discord to know when this is gonna go out. And yeah, I really do have hope, good, predictions that this will gain a lot, just because a lot of people are hyped. See, as you can see, general chat, a lot of people are excited about this project. And like I say, it's the first punks and they always do well. And the fact that it's the Immutable X marketplace is still early days, it can be a good mint in my opinion. Again, not financial advice, but I do think this will do well. Now the second one that I really like, okay, for the Immutable X marketplace is Cryptic Cows. Now the first reason is because they have a low supply. And as you all know, the less supply there is, it creates more rarity, which means higher chance of gaining profits and increasing in price, okay? It just has to do with the supply and demand. So the fact that there's 3,333, it's really low supply. And what I really like about this project is, first of all, the art, looks pretty cool. Pixelated arts do usually well on different marketplaces. But what I really do like is their utility and passive income factor, okay? Now let's go on their Discord to talk about this. So if you go on their Discord on the FAQ, they have a utility base, okay? And utility is really a strong factor when it comes to NFTs because people want to usually have a reason to hold an NFT, and this is what's really increased the price. And this has utility to it. Why? Because it has the milk token. So what is milk? Milk is going to be the ERC20 token that will be earned by staking your NFTs. Once all cash cows have been sold out, staking for milk will begin. So that means just for holding and staking your cows, you will earn passive income with this milk token that will be available. So it's the similar principle as the Genesis Kongs on the Ethereum network, where if you hold a Genesis Kong, you actually earn passive income with the banana token. Okay, so it's really the same principle. So this will increase people to actually hold on this. And yeah, I really think it's a good factor to put in. Also, as you can see, staked Cryptic Cows earn 10 milk a day in passive income. So if the milk token increases also in price, you earn 10 of them in passive income for a day. So it's really a good option in my opinion. People, once again, good community as far. So yeah, another one that I highly recommend for you guys. Still doesn't have a website though, but that will probably be coming soon. It's still early days. So yeah. The next project on the Immutable X platform that I really like is CollegeKids NFT. Now, the reason why I do like this project is, first of all, the art. I like animated arts. They usually do well. But the main reason why I like this project, it really targets a certain community. And as you all know, NFTs, it's usually the first phase, it's the art. Okay, people like the art. Now, the second phase to really make an NFT blow up and go up in price is the community. If the community is there, if people are holding on to it. And the third one is utility. Okay, so what's the reason, what do I benefit from holding an NFT? Well, this NFT actually really targets a certain community, and this is college kids. Okay, so all the teenagers, all the young adults are really, in my opinion, going to like to hold one of these NFTs just because it really targets them. Okay, they're teenagers and young adults. It resonates with them. For example, let's take this one over here. If you're a teenage kid or a young adult that likes to snowboard, well, you're probably going to hold on to this NFT because you're going to say like, look, this NFT is literally me. Like, it looks like me. I like snowboarding. So yeah, this really resonates for me. Once again, over here, you see a one that pretty much with casino cards. So if you're a gambler or, all the teenage kids who like to gamble and go to casino are probably going to like to hold one of these. Okay. Same thing. Okay. With girls with a coffee or beer pong cup, they're going to like this. Okay. So I think that really targets a certain niche and community, which is college kids and, young adults and teenagers. So yeah, a lot of people will be interested in this. Now let's go on their Discord. Now, as of now, they have over 4,341 members as of time of recording this. So it's already starting to get a lot of traction. What I also really like about this one, it also gains some, utility and tokenomics that I really like. So for example, smart contracts will be deployed, allowing for staking and liquidity pools to yield dining dollars. Okay, so once again, a staking and passive income factor over here. Also, as you can see, our tokenomics will set aside Immutable X fees for token liquidity and token buybacks, which will be sent straight to a burn wallet. This will prevent inflation and keep our tokens steadily growing. So once again, there will have some buybacks with this on a burn wallet. So this allows the price to increase and, not everyone to dump the price, okay, the floor price. So I think this is a really cool project. Like I said, the community for all these college kids and teenage kids will be good. And yeah, those are the picks for now. Make sure to stay subscribed, guys, okay, because I will be doing future Ethereum giveaways once I reach 1,000 subscribers on this channel. And I will be updating you, okay, every other day or every other week on new Immutable X opportunities like these. I really am bullish on this. I really think that Immutable X NFTs will be good since it's a new platform and it has a reason to blow up because there's no fees, okay, literally no Ethereum fees. So a lot of people are going to transfer to this marketplace. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed and see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.